Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. Welcome to our kitchen once more, where we are doing a little bit of cooking, and this segment, as you know, is called Cooking Made Simple. नाजरीन खुश आमदीद। आज फिर एक दफ़ा हम अपने किचन में हैं, तो जिस चीज़ पे मैं फोकस कर रहा हूँ या इससे आपको मालूम होगा कि हम किस किस्म की डिश बनाएंगे। ये है जी बहुत सी आसान egg masala, anda masala. So viewers, as you can see, I'm focusing on the eggs. They are the main ingredient of our very simple dish today, which is egg masala. So we've got the usual things: tomatoes. We like lots of ginger. We've got some spices here: ganufreak, salt, garam masala, chilies and turmeric, and then we've got some garlic cloves, and this again is frozen garlic and ginger, and we also like to do a little bit of paste. Okay, they have, we've noticed there's a variation of taste, and of course to garnish we are going to use coriander, dhania. Okay, so let's make a start, and we're going to make a start by putting in some oil into the pot. Okay, about 2 spoonfuls of oil. So let that heat up a little bit, and then we will add the frozen ginger and garlic. Okay, we think the oil is quite hot there. Can we add the frozen garlic and ginger, please? Okay, so okay, that's defrosted. Can we add the onions to that, please? Okay. नाज़रीन, ये 2 प्याज सब हम डाल रहे हैं. So viewers, we've just added 2 small onions. Okay, so we're going to heat that for about 5 minutes. Let it brown, let it soften. Okay, they are starting to brown, so now is a good time to add the ginger. Okay, अब अदरक हम डाल रहे हैं नाज़रीन. Okay, let that cook and brown with the onions. Okay, that's browning really lovely now. Can we add the tomatoes, please? नाज़रीन, अब हम इसमें tomatoes, कितने tomatoes थे? Two tomatoes, and also some ginger and garlic paste, please. Just 1 spoonful, please, because we've already got some. That's lovely. Thank you. We're going to let that cook for about 5 more minutes. Sorry, we need to add the masalas at the same time. The masalas. Yeah? Because I do want the tomatoes to be part of the dish. I'm not going to make it totally a paste. And we're going to cook that for 5 minutes. So once again, there should be enough moisture and water there, but if you find that the spices stick, do add a little bit of water. Well, the masala is cooked really nicely. Just going to add a few more things. Can we add some garlic cloves there? नाज़रीन, अब हम लहसुन और मिर्च डालेंगे, हरी मिर्च. हमें लहसुन बहुत पसंद है और मिर्च अगर आपको नहीं पसंद तो that is optional. Okay, so we love garlic, we love chilies. I think everybody should use garlic, but if you don't like chilies, that is your choice. Okay, so we'll add in the chilies, cooking really nicely. अब मिर्चें डाल रहे हैं. Okay, that's drying a little bit, so it's a good time to add the yogurt. 3 spoonfuls of yogurt, or more if you so desire. Okay, the masala has been cooked. I think it looks really nice. So we're going to turn off the heat for a short while and just prepare the eggs. So what we do is we need to put some holes into the eggs all over, because we're going to put that in so that the masala goes inside. Okay, so lots of holes in that. Okay, so this is one of the eggs that's had pierced, and we're just going to cut it in half. You can cut it into quarters if you so wish. Okay, and we're going to do that with the rest. So the eggs have been cut, viewers. So we turn the heat back on, and can we place them all around, please? Okay, so whichever way you want. So we're going to place that this way so that all the masala cooks into it. And place all the eggs thus. So do press them down a little bit so that they cook, and we're going to leave them here for 2 minutes. Do each side for about 2 minutes. So the masala is sticking a little bit, viewers, so what we've decided is we're going to add a little bit of water. So can we add the water there, please? Okay, that'll help it cook as well. So the 2 minutes is nearly over, and we're going to try and turn over the eggs to the other side. So you can hear the background. We always put alarms on in the background. Okay, and turn these over to the other side. Okay, viewers, there we have it, our final product. So that has really cooked nicely. Can we just turn one over to show the other side as well? Okay, so as you can see, the yolk has cooked really well on there as well. Nazreen, ye hai ji hamara final product. Both simple egg masala. Can we garnish that with coriander, please? So अब हम धनिया से garnish करेंगे. Okay, there you are. That is looking really nice. Okay guys, I do hope you're going to try our simple recipe. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please tell all your friends about it. All the Facebook friends, all the WhatsApp friends. नाज़रीन, उम्मीद है आप यह सिंपल सी रेसिपी ट्राई करेंगे. प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को और ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करना और ज़्यादा वॉच टाइम देना. अपने तमाम दोस्तों को जो आए हो व्हाट्सएप पे, फेसबुक पे, तमाम दोस्तों को बताना ताकि हमारा वॉच टाइम इम्प्रूव हो सके. ओके जी, लुक आफ्टर योरसेल्व्स, लुक आफ्टर अदर्स. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.